Hello everyone, my name is Kalpesh Dharmendra Badane and today's date is 9th December 2021 and today's video topic is about on why string is immutable in Java. So firstly we discuss what is the string. String is an object that represents the sequence of character value. String is a sequence of character. String is a non-primitive data type. How to create this string? There are two types. There is two types. Firstly, by using string literal, and second is by using new keyword. Its example. First we discuss the string literal. Its example is its example is string yes equal to in double quotes there is a Java there is a Java sequence of character are present. So string literal are create by using double quotes. If you are create this string by using string literal, so we don't need to have to create the object. If we are use string literal, so it's because of memory efficient. Second is the by using a new keyword. If we are use new keyword, then we can say that string are created by using new keyword. Its example is string yes equal to new string in parenthesis double quotes there is Java sequence of character is present. By using new keywords, there are two objects are created in the heap. First object is created in the heap memory area and second object is created in the SCP memory area, that is a string constant pool. Now we discuss about the why string is immutable in Java. So immutable means it cannot be changed, means we cannot edit the previous string because of string object catch in the string pool. Because of the string object catch in the string pool, it cannot be changed. The data of the string because of the security synchronization or class loading. So now we discuss about its example. So string is a store in the heap memory area, and in the heap memory area there is string constant pool memory area present. If we are create this string, suppose its example is by using string literal. First string is a string A equal to in double quotes there is Ankit name is present, and second string is a string B equal to in double quotes Ankit name is also present. If we are execute the first string, that is A, then string name then Ankit name object is present in the string constant pool, that is the first object. And if we are execute as well as execute the B string, then it cannot be create the object. It refer the previous object of A. It's refer the previous object A. It because of Ankit, first string object is Ankit and second string object is Ankit. because string constant pool is cannot be create the copy object JVM refers the previous object if for the same object are is present in the string construct pool. He check the if same object are is present, so he does not create the new object. He refers the previous object. Next is if we are create the third string, that is string C equal to a dot concat in parenthesis, there is Kumar name is present. So if we are execute this string C, then newly object is created in the SCP, that is Ankit Kumar. And if we are concat the method, concat method are used, its example is a dot concat Kumar in double quotes Kumar name Kumar sequence of character is present. So if we are execute the a dot concat Kumar, so JVM it will shows the only Ankit name because of the base string is referred to the a object, so it cannot be destroyed. So if we are apply the concat method by using new variable, that is a C, then it will show the Ankit Kumar name. Next is garbage collector. Why are not worthy applicable? So sorry, why garbage collector are not applicable in the SCP? So in the SCP memory area, garbage collector why are not applicable? Because SCP does not create the copy object, so there is garbage collector is not applicable. But in the heap memory area, garbage collector is present because of the in the heap memory area there is present the multiple copy objects. So that's all about today's video topic. Thank you.